I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste your time. Hey guys, I'm back again for another video. It's your boy TMK Money. Your boy TMK Money. Banger one. Back again for another banger video. On today's video, guys, I'm gonna give you one app. One app, guys. One app that you need for now. One app that you need. So guys, please make sure you watch this video until the end. So guys, give me some moment. So this app, guys, is called Marketagent. Marketagent. Basically on this one, they're gonna give you like some tests. I'm gonna show you what kind of test that they're gonna give you guys, so don't worry about that. They're gonna give you some tests, guys. You just need to complete the text. So what I love about this one, just because the payment threshold, guys, I think it's starting from $2 whatever, I don't remember, but it's a low withdrawal. You don't need to like work hard to get this money, just because you guys, we hate it. We don't want to work hard for $5, and then we waste like even like 2 months just to get that $5. That's so bad. So yeah, guys, I'm just gonna give you this new app. It's called Marketagent. Please watch this video until the end, just because we're gonna miss some steps that I'm gonna show you here on this video. Please make sure you watch the video until the end. So guys, I'm just going to my phone now, so that I'm gonna show you the app and how the app works. So I'm just going to my phone now. Okay, people, now we're on my phone. So here is the app, people. Here is the app. Let me show you the app. Here is the app. It's Marketagent, guys. You're gonna get this app on Play Store. It's Marketagent. Just gonna search Marketagent. You're gonna get an app, and also I'm gonna leave the link on my description. When you register through my link, you're gonna get some bonus. Let's go into the app, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna log in. Okay, already logging in. So okay, as you can see now, I have like I have like 4 surveys to complete for today. I have 4 surveys to complete for today. As you can see, complete your profile to select for more surveys. So now, okay, when you register, you need to complete a survey. So not a survey, your profile. I mean, guys, I'm sorry, you need to complete your profile. So I didn't complete my profile, but let me just complete my profile now. Please, guys, give me a little moment. Okay, I'm just gonna select my city. My city. Okay, Sentlazini. Okay, city size less than, I'm not sure about the size. I'm just gonna put 5,000. Postal code, I'm just gonna put like 1246. City, I'm gonna put Mkuhlu. That's my city, guys. Come on, just gonna put my, okay, so street house number 250, and then Republic, obviously from South Africa. So household size, just gonna choose 2. Number of children, I don't have children. Family status, single. Employment status, okay, independent, employed. Okay, I'm just gonna choose this one. Branch of industry, okay, I'm just gonna put this one. Please make sure you put the right information, just because they're gonna give you surveys based on what you put on your profile. So please make sure you put something you know more about. Okay, let me just check something that I understand here. Wholesaler, retailer. I'm just gonna choose this one. Finished education, primary education, secondary, high education, bachelor. I'm just gonna choose this one. Come on, I'm gonna choose this one. Mobile provider, Vodacom. Yeah, car owner. I don't have a car for now, guys. I don't have a car, so I'm just gonna put this. Please make sure you put the right info. Okay, monthly income. Okay, I'm just gonna put the month that we get here at home. Monthly. I'm just gonna put like 8,000 to 11,000. Okay, I think now we're done with the profile, guys. We're done with the profile. As you can see, look at the surveys that I unlocked, guys. Look at the survey that I've unlocked: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, guys. This is a lot of surveys that we have for now. So another thing that you can do, you can just come here, guys, and also tell them about the brand that you like. So you're gonna get like points by doing that. And also you can go to profile extension, and then you get something there to do, guys. They're gonna give you some text for you to do. So also now I'm gonna show you how to invite. I'm not going to complete some surveys just because I don't want to waste your time. So whenever you refer someone, you're just gonna get like 50 points as a bonus, guys. Gonna get like 50 points as a bonus. That's so amazing. I like that. And then we're gonna click where they say exchange area, guys. When you want to withdraw, we're going to where they say exchange area. As you can see, there's PayPal, there's Skrill, and also tree sponsorship, grow my tree, a lot of currency that they put here, but we're gonna focus on PayPal, guys. On PayPal, as you can see, they're gonna pay you in euro, guys. They're gonna pay you in euro, not in dollars. So as you can see, 0.5 euro, you just get paid. So let's see, guys. Okay, it's unclickable, guys, just because we don't have enough points, as you can see there, guys. So guys, it's simple as that. You just need your data to complete some surveys here and start earning. And also you can even come where they said participate in mini surveys, and then you're gonna learn somewhere here. They're just gonna ask you which app you use most, maybe Facebook, WhatsApp, and something like that. Just gonna answer them, guys. It's simple as that. You don't need to like learn about this. If you can like create an account and also a profile, that will be straightforward to you, and then you can start working on this kind of new app that I provide for you. Look at the surveys, and they're gonna keep on sending you more survey each and every day. Like, you don't run out of surveys. 15 minutes, 33 minutes, 20 minutes, just gonna get this cash, and then you can withdraw to your PayPal, whatever. That's simple as that, guys. I'll see you on the next video. It's your boy TMK. If you like this video, please make sure you comment and like, guys, so that I can appreciate something like that. Comment and like. I love you all, guys. I'll see you on the next video. It's your boy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate if you made it this far. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I appreciate. Thank you for watching this video until the end, guys. One day I'm gonna give like you guys a giveaway. If you watch the video until the end, I'm just gonna give you a giveaway. So thank you, guys. If you like this video, please comment down so that I'll know how many people like this video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and also turn on the notification bell if you are new again. And make sure again you like. Please click that like, guys. Click that like. I just want you to like. I don't need your money, I don't need anything. I just want you guys to like this video. Yeah.